Do you have pain from sitting? You might be a desk office worker, a delivery driver, or any other type of job that involves prolonged periods of sitting. Do you find you get tightness or pain, or both, in different areas of your body? This series of videos is designed to help you get rid of those niggles and manage them over time. The way I've organised the videos is into different body parts so you can easily find the video that helps your tightness or pain needs. It's easy to use. You select the area you have discomfort and there will be 3 or 4 videos to choose from. Each video is a maximum of 1 minute, so you may only need a few minutes a day to have a big effect and create those daily habits. By taking a break during the day or doing this at the end of the day, you'll feel freer, looser and less stressed.